Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Snap INC, and what you can look here is the weekly chart, and I have explained this chart, or I have talked about this chart last month, and from that level, if you can see, you can check my previous video which I have made last month. So from that level, actually that was the time when the stock was about to break out, and from that level the stock is up by 80%. So you can check that video, and hope who have seen that video, they will get benefited out of it. So that was the time when actually it was near its breakout level, and probably looking or sensing at this kind of trends are very important, because if things goes along with you, if the trend is with you, then obviously you are bound to make or benefit out of it, and that's what has happened. And if you look at this trend now, the previous uh, resistance has become a support. So this was the previous resistance at $27, or probably you can consider the previous high, which was, yep, which was at $30. So now the stock is made a swift move above $30, and it is currently at its lifetime high. So we are going to discuss about the trend, but most importantly, here one should not forget that the current trend is alive, and the previous resistance, which has now become the support, is also alive. So these are the levels which one should not forget about. Okay, so here you have your first support at $30, then you have your next support at 27, further you have $21 on the downside, and going below you have $18. So these are the four important support levels which one need to know about, and in any kind of adverse scenario one should be aware about these kind of trends. So now, because the breakout has happened very strongly, what we are going to do, we are going to check the probable upcoming target or resistance for this stock. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, now to get the next probable target or resistance of this stock, we have our trend available. Okay, we have previous chart patterns which will tell us about the trend. Now, looking at this trend and looking at the price action, what one could see probably in the next upcoming days or in the next upcoming months will be a target in between 63 and $100, probably in the weeks as well as in the months to come. So this is where your resistance or big target lies, and this is what one should look for. Okay, because we don't know about the exact movement of the trend, whether it will shoot up like this or it will go like this or this. That's why I have taken a range, and one should look out for these targets. Obviously, one should not be very stringent about one specific point that this is what I'm looking for, because one should be lenient, or the price movement is volatile. So obviously, if you have fixed, even if you have fixed some point, you should take it like 5% or 10% up and down. Okay, so because stock price will never be a particular point, it is always moving, and it will move, okay, whether on the upside or on the downside. So this is the thing which you want to understand. But looking at the trend, what you can see is a big target or resistance which will be between 16.3 to $100, probably in the days as well as in the weeks to come. But as I've already told you, that one should not forget about the risk in any case, whether you are super bullish or super bearish. So you have your strong support and four strong supports, and that's where your support level lies. So understand, look at your support, understand it, and whenever in case of any adverse scenario, if multiple support levels break, then obviously you need to think twice, thrice before taking any trade. And on the upside, one should not be extra greedy when your target or resistance level hits. So take a judgmental call, take a call which is logical, for which you have logic for yourself. You need not to give it to anybody else. So if you are justified with the logic, that's fine. Otherwise, take your decision accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.